I have recording this meeting, this video for you to get a free MuleSoft certification coupon. I know many of you are interested, but don't have time to get through all the training and exercises, which is taking more than 5 to 10 days. And everybody is not having that much time, though they know the MuleSoft, they have done the training once, and they are enough they are having enough confidence to get through the certifications. So that is the place where I can help you. I have written a piece of code that can help you get through all the training and exercises, will get you a coupon for 2 free attempts within 24 hours. Let me know if you are interested. However, it will come with the cost of $50. I will show you my piece of code running, completing your training for the first 30 minutes, and you can pay me after you have confidence. Otherwise, we will not make a deal, and your training will be stopped where it would be. So if you are interested, then please take a look. I have a piece of robot which is um, completing this training. So, for example, I'm running my robot, and on the other screen, I have MuleSoft training. Let me grab it on this screen. So you can see it's automatically processing. I'll wait for a few seconds so you can observe how it's working. So you can see it's automatically reading the pages of the exercise you will get. Right now, I have just reduced the time to show you, but actually it's gonna wait here for give the enough time to complete, so you will get the tick in front of this topic. Otherwise, it's not gonna complete if it is going with this speed. So this is temporarily just to show you guys the time which I have set is manual, so I can change it anytime in my code. So let me know if you're interested. I'm happy to help you to get the coupon. Thank you.